Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, in this video we will explain the poem The Lotus which, which was composed by the famous poetess of the Toru Dutt. Guys, before explaining the poem, we must know about a little introduction about the poetess Toru Dutt. Guys, Toru Dutt was a poetess of first order. She was born in a highly cultured and refined family. Her father, Govind Chandra Dutt, wrote verses, and her mother was well versed in English as well as in Bengali. Thus, she was born in a family with a rich cultural and literary background. It was natural for both sisters to indulge in literary exercises from a very early age. Both of them, guys, his elder sister's name is Toru Dutt. His elder sister's name was Toru Dutt, and it was natural for both sisters to indulge in a literary exercises from a very early age. Both of them stayed in France, England, and Italy for about 4 years. During this stay abroad, they acquired a high degree of proficiency in French and English. Their creative faculty was also quickened. Both the sisters returned to India towards the close of 1873 and plunged into a feverish dreams of intellectual efforts and imaginative productions. They had lost their brother in 1869. Again in 1874, Aru Dutt died of tuberculosis. And though these two deaths left a deep strand of melancholy in the Toru's nature, in nearly all her poetry, we find a dominant note of melancholy, and she didn't survive her sister for more than 3 years. She also passed away before her poetic talent could fully mature. She is poetess of unfulfilled renown. Marlowe's words apply aptly to her premature death. Cut is the branch that might have growthful strength, and Bernard is Apollo's Lord bow. Guys, Toru Dutt wrote some exquisite lyrics and published a collection of poems. A shade gleamed in French field, which contained her renderings from French into English. Although she died at the early age of 21 years, she left behind her a novel in French, a novel in English, many magazine articles and studies, and many poems. In her translations of the poems of French poets, she was remarkably successful. She recaptured the spirit of original with perfect mastery. In other original poems, Toru Dutt wrote an Indian themes and sang of India's heroes and heroines of Savitri and Satyavan. And he also wrote about of Sita and Lakshmans, of Dhruv and Eklav, of Dasrath, of Prahlad and his father Hiranyakashipu. However, it was 5 years after her death that her poems were published by her father. Guys, now we discuss about a little introductions of the poem. A little introduction of the poem The Lotus. Guys, the lotus is based on a fanciful thoughts. The god of love goes to Flora, the goddess of flowers and vegetation, and asks her to give him the most beautiful flower, which can be called the queen of flowers. The two flowers, the red rose and white lily, have been claiming that honored place for a long time. These two flowers have been rivals They have been claiming superiority since long. Poets have sung their praises by writing poems about them. The rose is sweetest smelling flower. The lily is white and is thus the symbols of purity and innocence. He requests Flora to give him such a flower as many possess the color and beauty of both the flowers. Then Flora gives him the lotus. Thus she gives to lotus the supreme place among the flowers. The lotus has both the whiteness. Guys, whiteness is the symbols of purity and innocence of the lily, and redness is the symbols of rosy color of the rose. Thanks so much, guys, to watch the video. Thank you.